as the League of Nations.
What would be your suggestion for another way of trying to solve the international problems? What would be your suggestion in reforming maybe the UN? Or
the only way to come out from this situation is absolute justice, without any discrimination. No matter who you are a human being. No matter which nation you belong to, no matter which continent you come from, you are a human being. Africans, Asians, Europeans, Russians, Muslims, Hindus, Christians, Jews, they all should be treated equally. And this is why Quran says that if you have to give witness against your own self, your loved ones, your kindred, you do it. But here you can see when it comes to the matter of Europe, then you treat Europeans in a different way than the Asians, than the Africans. When it comes to the matter of Jews and Christians and Muslims, then you have a different yardstick of measuring them, measuring their sentiments, measuring their values, measuring their situations, measuring their status.